Good morning, Shadow Twerkers. It's Ty Simone. And we are back with another daily video. So today is January 23rd, 2022. And we are going to get some messages for us for today. If you are new to our channel, we make tarot videos, affirmation videos, audiobooks, meditation videos, and we're currently creating our very own deck called Celebrate Life. The features our favorite musical artist, and that's really cool and exciting. So if you're interested in that type of thing, check out our Patreon. The information for that is in the description box below. We are also offering personal readings. So if you would like a personal reading on a specific situation in your life, the information for that is also in the description box below. So let's see what we got. What is this? Nine of Swords reversed. Nice.
Two of Swords.
The Lovers reversed.
The Hangman reversed.
The Ace of Pentacles reversed. Yikes.
The Four of Swords reversed.
Seven of Pentacles.
Seven of Wands reversed.
Two of Wands. Okay. Well. I want to know what else the Ace of Pentacles represents besides like money.
I carefully tend to the seeds of success. Upright is plant the seeds of something wonderful. You have what you need to get it done. Surrender to the cause. Reversed is lack of faith in abilities, taking on too many responsibilities, misguided timing. Review your ideas and plans for success. Know there's a right time for everything.
So it sounds like it's about timing. We got some books in here, a cat, some roots. Okay, they literally made it like a seed. That's kind of cool. Okay. So I feel like and then over here with the Seven of Pentacles, he's planting and nurturing the seed.
I'm carefully bringing things to life. The patience and kindness required to grow and sustain a life of value and beauty.
Okay, I feel like what's the Lovers? Because I feel like there's a loss of passion for a seed that was planted. And then the need to decide on whether or not it's worth tending to or stressing over or thinking about.
I am the gateway to divine love. In reverse, while upright is seek connection with others, blend opposing ideas into one, make a choice, accept yourself as you are, give and receive freely. Reversed is communication breakdown, distrust of others, feeling alone and hurt. Reassess your relationship with the opposite sex.
Okay, breaking it down line by line.
Well, it's either what you said or maybe someone is trying to do something, but maybe it's not working out because it's not the right time. And we got the Hangman too. Doesn't that kind of go into divine timing?
I think so. And like decision making for sure.
Alright, so
look it
bunch
up.
of swords and wands.
Huh?
Yeah. So the only thing missing is water, kinda.
Yeah, so I'm like, I don't feel like there's no passion for whatever the situation is. I feel like with the Lovers reversed, the Four of Swords reversed, and the Two of Wands, I feel like there's a loss of passion for something, and then like coming out of, I wouldn't call it like a dreamy state, but it's almost like honeymoon phase with anything. Like, you know, you get really excited when you plant a seed, you get really excited when you start something, but then like when it comes to the work that's required to keep it going, it's like I don't really know if I really want to do it. Like, do I really want to go through this, or do I want to like throw it to the wayside almost? But I feel like it's being fought for, but there's no love.
The Hangman. Surrender to the unknown. Sacrifice your idea of power. Allow the pause to give you perspective. Attainment of the higher self and enlightenment are within reach. In reverse, your faith wanes. Break free from the stagnation. Tune into what you need. Listen to your inner voice. Renew your trust in yourself and in life.
Yeah, man, I feel like somebody's giving up. Even with the Nine of Swords reversed, I feel like even if it's a burden, it's something that's making you weary, it's something that's being given up. With the Seven of Wands reversed, I feel like they're not fighting for it anymore. Like, it's not being fought for.
Nine of Swords reversed.
Oh, it's the 9?
Yes.
It's the 7.
That's the 9.
Oh, I was looking at the Wands.
I perceive danger everywhere. Investigate your psychological turmoil. Question your fears. Understand where it comes from. Nightmares and illusions. Know you are not alone in this feeling. Reversed. Being controlled by fear and worry. Use tools like visualization or journaling to work through issues. Challenge yourself with powerful questions.
I feel like there's a need to see the bigger picture. Because with that, if it was like use visualization and then here the Four of Swords is in reverse, I feel like
someone just can't see their fucking dream happening anymore, and you just sit down and visualize your dream because that's what you want. Not give up. Come on, getting what you want. Keep fighting for it. Like, don't give up.
bottom of the deck we have the Ten of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and if I can move this over, the Nine of Wands.
2, 2, 2. Right.
So yeah, I feel like there's like Yanni said, a decision to fight for your happiness. At the Ten of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and Nine of Wands. I feel like you're deciding to do it. Like you're deciding to go for it.
Same. I think that's what this Two of Swords is saying too. Is it says, I trust my ability to find my way. Two of Swords upright. Make wise decisions. Take the path of the heart despite the challenges. Consider what decisions and choices you have made in life. And then in reverse, it's not reverse though, but it says fear of failure, drifting through life without direction, giving your power away to others. But yeah, I feel like you're definitely choosing to keep going and keep fighting for your dream, pursuing your dream, whatever that may be. And that'll result in the Ten of Cups, for sure.
Ace of Pentacles, reverse. Ace of Pentacles, reversed. The Moon. I I feel like you might be learning something new about this seed or this dream or whatever it is that you've planted. And maybe learning something new about it causes you to lose a little passion for it, to kind of, blocks you a little bit, and it's something that you have to let go of. If it's something that you want to continue to tend to and to fight for and to have. And I feel like that's a big decision that needs to be made for you with the Two of Swords and the Hangman. With the Four of Swords, I'm like very at the Hangman. Realize the Hangman here. Three of Wands, Knight of Wands for the Hangman. So yeah, I feel like you're trying to decide if it's something worth going for. And then part of you is like, you don't want to go for it. And then the other part of you is like, I want to go for it with all that I have. So that just really clarifies the Hangman energy. It's like you're really, really trying to, like, you're really going back and forth with yourself because they're both wands. So I feel like you're really trying to decide which action to take, whether you should stay or whether you should go, or, well, yeah. But whether you should go or whether you should stay. And then again, the Two of Wands, which way you should go. Okay.
Alright, let's get some advice for the collective. Your commitment is being tested. First quarter moon. So yeah, you guys, especially if you already started putting work into this project or idea, whatever it may be, don't give up. Like I said before, just keep going.
A time to give rather than to take. That just kind of keeps bringing me to this card, the Seven of Pentacles. If it's something that's worth working on, worth fighting for.
Did you check them out?
I didn't.
Okay, so at the bottom of the deck we have the Five of Swords, the Magician, and the Two of Wands. Oh, you got the Three of Wands.
But yeah, the Two of Wands is already in the reading.
Oh, shoot. Yeah. But I think it's pretty much confirmation. And you're the Magician, so if you want to go for it, you can go for it and be successful. And if you want to give up, you'll also be successful in that.
Bottom of this deck, be bold and make the first move. So, yeah, if it's something that you're going for, and I feel like it doesn't matter what's revealed about it, like, and what's not. Like, things are always subject to change. Period. So, if you're worth fight, like, if you want to fight for it, fight for it. If you don't want to fight for it, then don't. But either way, your commitment is being tested. It's always going to be tested, whether you fight or not. Like, if you ever want something, your commitment is going to be tested. It's never going to be easy. Everything that's worth having is worth fighting for, to me. And a time to give rather than to take. I feel like there's a need to bring love into the situation. There's a need to bring fight to the situation. Like not necessarily like conflict fight, but like a drive, like a this is mine, like I'm going for it. Like a fire. So, yeah. That is what we have for you today, collective. If you want your personal reading, don't forget to check the description box below. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment. And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you so much for joining us. You are truly legendary, and we love you. And until next time, later.
Later.